What if I told you that your greatest regrets in life won't be about what you did, but about what you missed while waiting for the perfect moment? You blinked and the moment was gone. But what if you never had to miss another one again? Chapter 1. The Modern Disease. Chasing what's next. We live in a world obsessed with the next thing. The next phone, job, vacation, or version of ourselves. But the cost? We've forgotten how to be. We scroll past the moment. We rush through meals. We survive Mondays waiting for Fridays, and then wonder where life went. Chapter 2. The myth of someday I'll relax. Someday I'll take that trip. Someday I'll tell them I love them. But someday isn't a day of the week, and it may never come. Chapter 3. The Power of Now. Here's the truth. Now is all you ever have. The past is a memory. The future is imagination. Appreciating the moment doesn't require money or time. It requires presence and a choice to see the ordinary as sacred. Chapter 4. How to Appreciate the Moment Part. Awareness. Start with awareness. Where are you, really right now? Part B. Acceptance. Narration. Next, acceptance. Stop fighting the moment. Part C. Gratitude. Narration. And finally, gratitude, not for what you want, but for what is. Chapter 5. Real-life stories of appreciation. A cancer survivor who found joy in every sunrise. A single mom laughing with her kids despite the chaos. A monk who finds bliss in washing dishes. They all discover the same truth. Life isn't about having more, but feeling more. Chapter 6. Your moment is now. You don't need a perfect life to appreciate it. You just need to wake up right now. If this video opened your eyes even a little, imagine what the rest of this channel can do for your soul. Watch the next video on The Less You Care, the Happier You'll Be. Stop chasing and start living. Hit subscribe, not just to this channel, but to the version of you that lives every moment fully.